How to check your clipboard history on Android device. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily check your clipboard history on your Android device. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So right here I'm on my Notes app. Now if I pop up my keyboard right here, I will see this clipboard icon on the top of my tabs. Now if you don't see it, what you can do is tap on this menu icon right here, and then you will find your clipboard item hidden somewhere right here. Now all you have to do is just tap on it, and all of your recent copied text will be shown right here. So these are all of the text that I've recently copied, and if you want to edit them or delete them, you can do so by selecting all of them and then tap on delete, and now everything is deleted. If you want to undo, you have a short period of time which allows you to undo your deletion process. Now that's it for today's video. I will see you on the next one.